How to add and update conversions via CSV. No one is perfect. This is why Everflow offers a feature to upload and update conversions manually via CSV if need be. We will explore what sorts of imports are possible and how to execute each one. There are 3 types of conversion imports this feature can support: adding conversions using transaction ID, adding clicklist conversions without transaction ID, and adding clicklist conversions using a coupon code. To update existing conversions, you have 2 options: update conversion status or update revenue and payout. In both cases, transaction ID or conversion ID is required. Note that you cannot update non-approved conversions such as rejected or pending. Each case will require a different set of columns and data, which are explicitly outlined in the Help Desk article along with the templates. Here is an example of how the CSV template would look. Once the file is ready, we can upload them to the UI. To upload conversions using a CSV file, navigate to Reporting and Conversion Imports. Click on the 3 vertical dots to select the CSV file to upload. Here, we can drag or browse the file into the UI and click Add to upload. You can also monitor if the conversions are processed and if there were any errors. The Total Errors column is also clickable to see more details on rows that contained an error. And that's it. Now you can add and update conversions using a CSV import.